The contrasting flavors of smooth cream and berries are amazingly addictive. My version of the mixed berry panna cotta is wonderfully displayed, tastes delicious and are super easy to make. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my SugaRash kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mixed berry panna cotta. We're first going to make a mixed berry puree, and for the puree I have 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. My saucepan is now hot, so I'm going to add this. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to allow this to cook until the berries are all soft and broken down. The consistency has become thicker, the berries have become soft. This process took me approximately 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to now sieve this. I'm going to mash all the mixed berries. They're all soft. I want that smooth puree to come out, and the seeds and the skins and all of that will be trapped in the sieve. The smooth puree is now ready. I'm going to reserve 3 tablespoons, which I'm going to use as a topping at the end. I'm going to allow this to cool now. Now I'm going to make the panna cotta cream. For that I have 1/2 cup of milk and 1.5 teaspoons of vegetarian gelatin. I'm going to allow this to sit for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to cook this until the sugar is just dissolved. The sugar is now dissolved. I'm going to bring this off the gas. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of cream. I'm going to gently stir this so it's all combined. I'm going to allow this to cool at room temperature. Now I'm going to add my mixed berry puree. My panna cotta mix is now ready. I'm going to fill a measuring jug. This helps ease the pouring into the small cups. I'm now going to let this chill in the fridge for about half an hour until the panna cotta has firmed up. The panna cotta has been sitting in the fridge for about half an hour and the mousse is now firmed up. So I'm going to add some whipping cream. I'm going to drizzle some of the mixed berry puree, which I had reserved, and I'm going to top it up with some berries. I'm now going to chill this in the fridge for another 2 hours before I can serve it. Mixed berry panna cotta is now ready to be served. This recipe is perfect for warm weathers as it's extremely light and refreshing and addictive. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.